Hey viewers, so welcome back to Guidezen. What if your emojis looked exactly like you? Same expressions, same style, but more fun. Before we start, subscribe and like because personalization is the future. The app is the fun app is Bitmoji. It lets you create a cartoon version of yourself with custom face, hairstyle, clothes, and expressions. It's created by United States and daily live uses this. Bitmoji is widely used for chatting with friends, Snapchat stories, social media content, making conversations more expressive. It adds it adds emotions and personality to your messages. Why use boring emojis when you can use your own character? If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe and comment which outfit you would choose for your Bitmoji. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.